Anybody tries to stop, hey, I want a full minute. Somebody's timing
you guys right
I'm
there.
timing it right now.
In the light, right here.
A full minute is what I want.
A full minute is what you're gonna get. Oh, this is gonna suck.
No refs, no doctors.
This is gonna
Hey,
suck, man.
just so you know, I'm already my nose bleeds. I wake up in the morning and my nose bleeds. My nose bleeds in the morning.
I want to see you guys touch gloves right now, and let's get at it.
All right,
Again.
go at her.
All right, let's do it.
She's trying to. Oh, you spilled
1
beer,
minute
Dustin.
starting now.
Oh, wow, the buckling knees. You all right, Ray?
Okay, yeah, bring it up. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Fight. We're at 25 seconds. Bring it up. Okay, let's go. We're at 40 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bring it up. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. There we go. Okay, 9 seconds left. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Is that it? Are you calling that
I
it?
think that's time.
Okay.
That's
now
time.
It's gonna be time. And the winner. And still champion. My boy Ray. That's right. Oh yeah. Barely. That was a good fight.
That was a good one.
Down.
Man, there's some good ones. You're taking some shots here.
I'll tell you. God damn.
That was barely.
I would have put money on Shawn.
Tough guy
I
right
only
there.
stopped because I had to fucking puke. That pisses me right off. No, that pisses me right off. I want that was like fucking 10 seconds back. If I didn't have to puke,
Love ya.
hey, if I didn't have to puke, buddy, it would have been a full 5-round gun to judges.
All right.
You had all this, eh?
All of it. Yeah, all.
Christ, man, that was a tough fight.
I hate fucking alcohol.